Are you struggling with quitting smoking, trying to get off of nicotine? Would you like some strategies to help you kick the habit and break free from nicotine addiction? Well, today I'm going to give you 7 ways to get past nicotine cravings. So there's 7 ways to get past nicotine cravings. We want to go over those right now. Cravings usually last about 10 minutes. And these are recommendations from the Mayo Clinic.
Yes. Number 1, steer clear of triggers. So things that really upset you, that you already are really aware of things that upset you, like someone at work, you don't get along with this person. Don't go on break at the same time as that person. The other thing is like when you're driving home from work and you always stop at this one particular place and get your cigarettes, go a different route.
Yeah, number 2, set a timer. You know the cravings last about 10
Yes.
minutes. You start having a craving, set your timer on your phone, on your watch, and count down 10 minutes. And after that period of time, they'll start subsiding.
Yes. Number 3, chew on something. McDonald's has the straws. Their straws are the exact same size as a cigarette. So people cut these up. One of my clients told me about it. They cut them up the same size as a cigarette, put them in a old cigarette pack, and when they want a cigarette, they grab that straw because it's the exact same size as a cigarette.
Yes.
Yes.
So if you see people walking down the street
Yes.
smoking straws, you know they watched our show.
Yes.
Number 4, run up and down stairs if you're in a building that has stairs. If you don't, go for a brisk walk. What cigarettes do, or what nicotine does, is it increases dopamine levels. One of the most best natural ways to create dopamine is brisk exercise. So that can be a good replacement.
Yes. Number 5, call someone for support. Get a support buddy, someone that really loves you, that can help you get through that 10 minutes, and give them a call and let them say, you got this, you can do this. You just got 7 more minutes, we can do this.
Number 6, discover new ways of de-stressing.
Yes.
You know, at some point when you're addicted to nicotine or any drug, you're using it to manage emotionally. Find other ways to manage your emotions. That perhaps could be journaling, calling a friend, expressing it some other way that's helpful, going for exercise. Find other ways of distressing.
Yes. And number 7, review your reasons for quitting. Put on your phone a picture of your children, picture of your grandchildren, make a list of why you're quitting, why is this so important, and review that daily. Review it. And then that way, if you're having a hard time, go and look at this, because this is what's going to help you get over that 10 minutes. And if you have to do it 10 times a day, do it. Sooner or later, you'll only have to do it once a week, and sooner or later, it will already be in your heart and you won't need to look at it.
So these are the 7 ways to get rid of or get past nicotine cravings.
Yes.
Practice these and be empowered so that you can overcome nicotine addiction.
Yes.
We have a wonderful resource for you if you're struggling with nicotine dependency. Get this book today called Nicotine Anonymous. It's great education, it's great support, it's great inspiration. We have a link in the description. Get it today if you're struggling, and I promise you, it will help you in your journey to break free. We also did a video called Do Drugs Affect the Brain? And it's actually graphic SPECT scans that show the impact that abusing drugs has on the brain. If you'd like to see that and see this video, please click on this video now, and we will
See you in the next video.